Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I was driving through the parking lot and this little baby caught my eye here. Looks like a 16 by 66 single wide. And what I thought was really cute and interesting is the design aspect they did on the outside. So here they've added a single wide elevation, a special exterior that you can do on the ends. So it's a little bit of a bump out here. But look what they did. They took two of our upgraded colors and they mixed them up. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. There's one right beside it. I may do a video of that one here soon. Let's see what we got here. Another thing that I noticed is they've moved the starter strip up. So usually there would be a row of siding here because all of our homes come foundation ready. So that means that this frame would sit right on top of your foundation right here. This customer has moved the starter strip up, so that tells me there is going to be skirting on this home, but also they've done a full OSB wrap. So that means underneath this siding right here, you've got your weather wrap, your house wrap, and then you have the home completely wrapped in an OSB. Great for energy efficiency. It's going to keep your electric bills down, your heat bills, gas bills. This home has gas, I can tell you right there. And just a better stability for your home. Also pier savers, we've talked about those before. So that would mean that you are not required to have a pier underneath usually people do them on the front door and the back door. Not available on patio doors though, just the exterior doors, which are a 36 by 80, just a standard door that you could find anywhere. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, so I had to come in the back because the homes were placed too close together for me to be able to fit in there. So coming into the back door, coming right into the laundry area. This is a VOG home, which is a vinyl over gypsum. Still a drywall product, but it's got this vinyl backing and in a Casper cashmere pattern. So I'm gonna keep this door open so I have some light. Oh, this home looks very familiar. This is the larger version of this is one of our show homes. And look at all of the brown tones. Everybody is switching over to the browns, guys. The whites and grays are kind of heading out. This home reminds me of like a cabin-y feel, right? You've got that accent wall on the back with a glacier quartzite on the countertop, rounded edges. And what else do we have going on? Got a dimmer switch there. Black appliance package, microwave, dishwasher, gas furnace with a pantry right here. Here's the island. Got some storage in the island. I love these hutches. Beautiful. Turn it around. Here's the living area. Heading back towards the primary bedroom, we're going to run into a little pantry. Not a little pantry. Good size pantry. Here's the primary bedroom. They've added carpet to the bedroom. All of our single wides, guys, are carpet free, linoleum throughout. What's going on here? Oh, a little closet. They kept going with the accent wall theme. And I love this. I love when people put these 30 by 36 windows or even a 14 by 40 window in the bathroom. Trust me, in the long run, down the line, you're gonna be thankful that you did. Got an over the commode linen. And then what's behind the door? Behind door number 1, 60-inch tub shower combination. So that's a standard shower. Let's head back to the other end. What a cute little house. About 1,000 square feet, 1,001. I was right, 16 by 66 on this one. Here's bed 2. Show you the closet here. Got a bathroom in between. No, excuse me, bed 3. Bathroom in the end. Oh, and here's something. They've added a 30 by 61 window in the hallway. That's a great idea as well. Heading back the other way. Oh, this is just pretty. All right, folks. If you're just finding my channel because you saw my billboard, welcome. This is a channel. I'm a housing consultant in Champion Homes. I help design, build and ship homes according to your lifestyle. So if you'd like to come visit, give me a call. Put you up in a real nice hotel. As always, thank you for watching.